Hi guys, I wanted to show you how to use this assignment. So this will be all of your supplemental work for our first unit in Acellus. You're going to just complete everything on this document at your pace. You have 3 supplemental days to do so, okay? So there's a couple of different tasks here, and I want to make sure you understand each and every one of them, okay? Step 1 is engage. So this is the activity to get us interested. And in step 1, you are playing a game that's going to take you to several different locations around the world. You just have to give your best guess as to what they are. Let's take a look at it together here. So as you can see, we're in the game right now, and it's your mission to take a look around these places and kind of figure out what they are here. And it's okay if we don't get it right. So we can look at the language printed, maybe if we see any big location or thing that makes a lot of sense. And then we'll use our map here to go ahead and take a guess. You can zoom in so you can see the countries. That's a pro tip there, guys. So I'm going to guess that this one is Germany because that kind of looks like German. Let's see. All you do is click in the country, hit make guess. Wow, I was actually right. It is Germany. So all you'll see after this is how close your guess was, and then you'll just hit play next round. So you'll play this for a little bit here, and you'll go ahead and kind of take a look. Canals, a gondola, a guy with a Google hat on. I wonder where this might be. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom on in again, go over to my guess, and bam. Again, this was Venice, Italy. So you guys will play this, I would say, for at least 5 rounds. If you want to play for longer, dudes, go for it. And see what you know about some places around the world, okay? Again, it's okay if you don't get them all right. I just want you to play and see, because we're going to travel to all these places together this year in geography class. So after you finish that, there'll be a quick little form just reflecting on how it went. Make sure you fill that out. You'll then move on to the Explore section, where you're going to take a look at some different activities I have for you regarding maps. The Explain section is a Nearpod about the 5 themes of geography, which is going to be super duper important as we travel this year. And then I have a small mission for you, friends, and that mission is for you to create a map of an area that is important to you. You will need a piece of paper for this and the ability to draw. You can choose to use an online feature if you would like, but I really recommend you use pen and paper here. Your map must include a title, a compass rose, a key, a scale, and the absolute and relative location. Remember, one of those has to deal with latitude and longitude. You may draw your map by hand or use an online tool, like I said. If you need help, let me know. I'm happy to get you started. Then you're going to go ahead and share your findings on the class Padlet. Make sure you give some feedback to your peers, provide a nice comment or something. And then last but not least, there's a small reflection portion, just talking about how this went and what you learned. Lastly, I do have a dig deeper option if you are interested in exploring more about the cities in Pennsylvania and how they've changed. I have a link of photos for vintage Pittsburgh, vintage Harrisburg, and vintage Philadelphia. But only dig deeper if you finished everything, okay? So like I said, this is your supplemental work for Unit 1, guys, okay? I want you to take your time with it. I want you to do your best. And most important, I want you to learn about maps, okay? If you need help, let me know.